Hello, Lincoln community. I'm excited to share with you that we are just 1 week away from Speak. Speak is one of my favorite school days of our year. We have 108 presentations planned by your children, by our students, from elementary all the way up through high school to share their passions, their interests, their talents, and their excitement. They embody all of our alls, our attributes of a Lincoln learner as they prepare for this experience. Communicator, critical thinker and researcher, agents of change, and self-navigator. They bring those to life as they prepare their presentations to share. All of our students are matched with a staff or a faculty mentor to help guide them. I wanted to take a moment to share some reflections and some thoughts from our Lincoln 2023 Speak team. We look forward to sharing the photos, the videos, the reflections from 2024 with you after our upcoming Speak.
Speak, or Students Present Educational Activities and Knowledge, is an event where, in a nutshell, students take over the school. It gives students an opportunity to take on leadership roles and present information or activities for other people at the school on whatever topic they're most interested or passionate about.
So this year was the first time that I was on the Speak leadership team. And I've got to say it was honestly one of the best experiences that I've had at Lincoln. Being able to work with elementary schoolers and middle schoolers as a high school student isn't an opportunity that I have a lot. And so having this time every single Friday was honestly it was invigorating. It was really great.
It was amazing, actually. I really liked it. It was amazing to manage and decide this and choose a theme and a lot of knowledge. I really liked it. Yeah, it was great.
Preparing for Speak was a very interesting experience. We got to have a lot of collaboration with different people in different grades. We don't work a lot with high school, but in Speak we got to. It was very, it was kind of organized chaos, if that makes sense. We got to have a lot of preparation for themes and stuff like that, but we also definitely had that last minute rush. I think it was very fun. It was an entertaining process, and I learned a lot about organization and time management.
I personally really liked it. It was really fun, and we had a lot of time of doing this.
I hope to learn how to cooperate with others and how to make friends that are in different grades, or that you never almost never meted each other before.
This year I was a Speak MC, and something I tend to struggle with is public speaking, but honestly, working on it the entire semester up to it, it felt really great. And it was really great to kind of show people exactly what we had been planning and to get to see the reactions.
What I would like to be known as, to be heard in the school, to have a choice, for people to know we were here, we worked hard on doing this.
So for me personally, Speak means an opportunity. I love talking. It's something I really enjoy doing. And I love talking about things that aren't usually academic. I love a certain board game called Warhammer 40K. It's not a very academic topic, but during Speak, I'm able to share my passion, which I think is just so much fun, and I get to hear about others, so I think that's what Speak means to me.
Speak to me means a great opportunity for all students to teach something that they like, and also other students to learn about it.
Speak means connected through, since on that day the whole school is all together in one space.
Speak gives our students an opportunity to apply learning outside of their regular classroom curriculum, to take on leadership opportunities in order to test their ability to be organized, to plan for something that involves a large group of people. And outside of just being leaders, this also gives them an opportunity to showcase things that they're passionate about and raise the awareness about those things in our school community. It means it's an opportunity for students who have shared passions and interests to get to know one another and connect with other people throughout the school that they might not regularly get to take classes with.